How to create a new Apple ID on your iPhone? In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then simply tap Sign in to your iPhone. Next, tap Forgot Password or Don't have an Apple ID. Then select Create Apple ID. Enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. Then tap Continue. Now, choose whether you want to use your existing email address or create a free iCloud email address. Create a strong password. Apple will send a verification code to your phone number or email address. Enter the code to verify your account. Finally, read and accept Apple's terms and conditions to complete the setup. And that's it! You've successfully created an Apple ID on your iPhone. You can now use it to download apps from the App Store, back up your data to iCloud, and access Apple services like FaceTime, iMessage, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more iPhone tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.